Now orthographic projection of object features like point, etc. And if there is a circle or ball, so how the drawing of that object will be drawn. Edges are lines that represent the boundary between two faces. Here is a brick. This face and this face touching or cutting or joining at one line, that is edge, by two faces, formed by two faces. Similarly here, this is edge, this is edge, edge. This face and this face forming this line, that is an edge. Similarly this one, these are edges. Now second one, here is a cylinder. You can see this surface of length surface is joining the dia surface. They are forming an edge at this point. Now no edge, there is in the ball there is no joining of two faces, so no edge. So how to show this object? Here there are corners, that is a corner, no corner, no corner. Now surfaces, this one is surface, this one is surface, two surfaces, one surface. Limiting element. What is limiting element? This circle is continuous because when we see in the 3D object, when we start drawing a line, that will keep on repeating, so that is a limiting line. If we rotate this cylinder, then that is limiting line, is a line that represents the last visible part of this curved surface. So we are seeing this surface that is not ending if we rotate, keep on rotating, but we when we see this object, we are seeing this limiting side, so we will draw this line to draw the circle. Here its limiting line is this. For the circle, that is a surface limit line. Projection of a line. If we see this line from top, then definitely a line will be seen. If we see the line from the right, you can understand there will be a line. But if we see the line from this side, then we will see only the point. Here at the exact same location, perpendicular, for orthographic projection, you will see only point. And on the right side, definitely you will see on the here there are orthographic projections, front, right side, and now top. Okay, when you will see this line that is present in a glass box, you will see this line from top, you will see line, right side line, and when you see from the front side, you will see a point. So that is a front view, top view, and right side view. True length gives us true length, exact length, that will give us point, normal line. Now please see here, I have rotated the line with some angle. Okay, so when from the front side, I will see this point and this point make the shadow on this plane. When you will see here, shadow on this plane. Okay, so when you will see on from top, you will see shadow, the inclined shadow, exact. Here. So now if you want to measure the exact length that is inclined, you can see in this front view that is length shortened, and in the right side view again that is length is large but not much, but in this top view you will get the exact length. True length foreshorten means small, foreshorten again shorten line. That is the inclined line. Now see this triangle object. Again place in the glass box concept. Okay, when you will see from the front side, that is just like plate, then you will see a line. When you will see from the front side, when you will see from the right side, again you will see only a line. When you will see from the top side, now you got the point, you will see a surface. Okay, from the top you are getting the true size. From front side you will setting this length only, that is the edge. Similarly from right side, edge. Now I will tilt this plate element, place in the glass box. Here you can see I have lifted up this object from the C side. When you will see from the front, you will see this object. When you will see from the right side, you will see only a line. And when you will see from a top, okay, so here foreshortened plate, you will see from edge, again this side is also foreshortened in the inclined plane. Now first tilted in the C, also B is also lifted one. From the right side, all three views will be foreshortened. Oblique plane. Projection of an object. The views are obtained by projecting all object features to the picture plane. For example, here when you will see this view, that is a front view, that is a front view, and now that is a right side view, and when you will see from the top, you will get this view, that is a top. When you will see from the top, you will see this one, and when you will see from the front side, you will see this view, and when you will see from right side, you will see this square box. Now when you will see from the front side, but you see there is a cut in the inside, at what location? That is the location you will see with display with dash line here and here. Similarly, when you will see from this right side, you have to also display with dash line to show the hidden feature. Here for the left side, similarly for the right side. You have to project the remaining surfaces which are invisible too. Here we have shown with dash lines. Now this is another example. We will represent with top view, front view, and side view. Here when you will see from this side, you will see this plane and this curved half circular curve. Okay, and when you will see this face from the right side, you will see this line only, and when you will see from the top, you will see this line as it is here, this object. Now when you will see from the front, you will see circle, half circle here. Okay, and when you will see this circle from the right side, you will see a vertical line only. And when you will see from the top at a distance, somewhat what is the spacing, you will see from the top as a cut here. Similarly here S is cut. Now from when you will see from the top side that plane, when you will see from the right side that plane is here. Okay, that is the top, and that is all highlighted part, and from the right side you will see as a L. Why? When the round you will that will be continuous, you will mark a line where the edge is a limiting element, so that's why that is horizontal. So from the top, front and right side. Now there is some modification, there is some cuts on the left and right. When you will see front, you can imagine here, top view, and you will see from the top here this red, this one. From right side this will be line, cutting line. Now for the remaining this part, top here, when you will see from the right, this cut will be just shown here with the horizontal line, and the end that will be vertical here. Now the next topic is line convention. There are some rules. Precedence of coincide lines, hidden line drawing, center line drawing. I will discuss one by one. Precedence of line means order of importance. Which line, if at some point two lines are present and they are patching or matching at the same point or joining at the same point, which line will govern the criteria? Visible line, hidden line and center line. If there is a center line present and hidden line, you will draw hidden line. If there is present hidden line and visible line, you will draw visible line. Here is an object, that is a front view, center line. When you will see from the top, now you will face some issues. Similarly, when you will see from the right, you will face some issues regarding the hidden features, regarding the cut. Let's see. Here when you will draw the hidden object, that is a circle, but at the same point there is a cut, you have to also draw a solid line. So hidden line and visible line, the criteria is order important, visible line will govern the criteria. So we will remove the dash line, we will write the visible line, that is a construction line. Okay, here at the center of circle, center line, but behind the circle there is again cut, that is a hidden object. So if there is a center line or hidden object, then the hidden object will govern the criteria. Here hidden object will be there, the center line will be removed. Similarly, when we see from the top, hidden feature and show center line. Okay, again there is cut, so hidden feature will govern, that is acting at the same point, so no issue. Center line, but at the same point there is a cut, so we will remove the center line, instead we will draw a solid line. When you will see from the top, there is a cut joining two surfaces, there will be edge, so we edge write a solid line. Okay, you can indicate. Hidden line should join a visible line except it extended from the visible line. Here is an example what it means. When you will see from this side, you can understand on the other side there is a cut, it means we have to show with a dash line. How we will show? Here correct. When we start, that will be join, and when that will be ending, leave a space. Hidden line should join a visible line. Hidden line should join a visible line except it extended from the visible line. Except at that point we can left where it is not extended from the visible line. We have started the visible dash line from this. At that point we will join, and it is exception at this point, either it is join or with space. Here that is not correct. Second example, here when you will see from this side, this plane face are visible to you, but you can understand there is a hidden, that is a circular path, so there is a hidden feature here, that the face you are seeing, but there is a hidden feature like this one. Hidden line should intersect to form L and T corners. Here there are two cuts, 1, 2 and third. Backside solid face. Okay, at this there is a cut. Here L shape and T shape are forming due to hidden. That is a correct, and that is a incorrect. These are all rough guidelines, and if this is present, the other person or the other person who is reading the drawing, that can understand, but that is a good way, that is not a good way. It does not mean that is incorrect, that is also correct, but that is not a good way for a representation of lines, so that is a good way. Hidden arcs should start on a center line. Here is an arc, so all arcs should start, if there is a hidden feature, start from a center line. Center line practice. In circular view, short dash should cross at the intersection of center line. That is, we already know. Here when we show a center line, the short dash should cross at a center. Here is another object. For small hole, center line is presented as thin continuous line. Okay, if we show the short dash at the center, that will be difficult to represent, so we just mark lines to cross, to make a cross. Center line should not extend between views, means if there is one view, another view, it does not mean you will extend long dash then short long. You should left a gap between the two drawings. Leave the gap when center line form a continuation with a visible or a hidden line. Here you can see that is a center line and that is a visible line. You should left a space from the endpoints. Leave the space. Center line should always start and end with a long dash. At the ends should be end with long dash. At center you can use short dash. So that's all for this topic of orthographic projection. Have a nice day.